Japanese Day in Dusseldorf. Welcome to Dusseldorf one more time.
Konnichiwa.
Arigato. Today is Japanese Day in Dusseldorf. Did you know that there's more Japanese people live in Dusseldorf than anywhere else in the German or maybe Europe? I'm not sure, but at least there's more people here in Dusseldorf than anywhere else in the country.
Yes, this is true. I can say German Venice son, he's an expert in Japanese love.
Arigato!
Konnichiwa.
Im Goldenen Kessel, Frittenwerk, Hausbrauerei zum Schlüffel, Mississippi, Sausalitos, Villa Wahnsinn, der Spiegel, Manhattan, Steakhouse, Chop Chop, Brauhaus. Holy moly, they got the Ghostbusters in Germany. Are there any ghosts in Germany here?
In Venice.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Woo!
Wir haben gestern gesagt, so, ey, der ist doch bestimmt hier, der ist doch
Of
neu
course
in
I'm here, yeah. Can't believe I'm meeting the Ghostbusters here. German in Venice with the Ghostbusters!
Who you gonna call?
The Ghostbusters! Harlequin, we got two of them.
German stinking beer. We do it always. Sorry, man.
That's what I love to do. And I'm not even German anymore because I don't drink the beer.
Oh yeah.
Doesn't matter.
Hello.
I do it for you, Mike.
I like your videos so
What?
much. I just watched yesterday one video.
Which one?
The last one on the Dusseldorf in the city.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the best one.
Und da hast du mich erkannt jetzt?
Yeah, just I love this video. I love this man, and I wish you all the best.
Everybody
Yeah.
loves me.
Yeah,
Wow. Er ist der DLRG, Deutsche Lebensrettungsgesellschaft. They save you life. We got Baby Yoda and Luke Skywalker.
You want to play a game?
And there's Lizzie von Black Butler. The Day of the Dead. Look at those eyes. Look at the shoes. They got the best seat in the house. Everybody walks by. Look, we got Herr der Ringe here. Pikachu gives out free hugs. Can we get an air hug? Darth Maul with Lord of the Rings. Oh, scary clown, scary clown. Right! Hey! Obi-Wan Kenobi is smoking the shisha. I had no idea they have crazy things like this in Germany as well. We got Merida from a Disney movie. If you don't want to walk around, you just lay on the grass and chill. Are you drinking the Jack Daniels here? That's why you're so happy? The beer can never be missing. The Germans love beer. Even though it's Japanese Day today, there's a lot of people dressing up, cosplay. You guys look good. Look at her teeth. She's about to bite me in my neck. She is in love. Harlequin is in love. It's too bad. I don't even know all those characters. And look who is here. Michael Jackson. Johnny Depp, we love you. I'm hanging out with the big dogs. SEK, Sondereinsatzkommando ist hier.
Why so serious? Woo.
I'm here with my two last best friends. Gogo, you met already at the fair, the German fair. This is Maxi. They both visit me already in Venice Beach. It's so weird to be here and walk around with them right here in Dusseldorf.
Yeah, Japanese Day. Konnichiwa.
I eat. There's one thing I don't understand. People dress up and then when I walk by and I try to film them, they turn around. That's totally different in America. The people were so open when I did to the Comic-Con. Everybody was so open to take a video, picture, whatever you want. Here, they're kind of shy. I'm thinking Japanese ramen soup. Those are hunters from Blackburn. Boss, cheers. Thanks for being here and having a good time with me. Thank you. Gogo, is this your first event here in Dusseldorf, the Japanese Day, or you've been here before?
No, man, I'm coming the first time, but I like it. It's so good.
You live in Germany and you've never been here before.
I need you to come and take me along, yeah?
That's great. Dusseldorf is celebrating the Japanese culture and they have all different little stands where you can experience their culture. Fighting, stick fighting, kendo, and all kinds of stuff. Those are the prices for beer, €4.50 for a big glass like this. Hier bitte keine Fahrräder abstellen. If you come to Germany, you gotta buy the currywurst. I'm telling you, it's the best wurst you can get. Pinky promise. Look at this, how beautiful. And they got the hot ketchup. I mean, I like bacon wrapped hot dogs, but I love the currywurst even more. Oh, you get the ketchup sauce and they put the curry on it. Look at this.
This is mustard. Yummy.
How is it, good? Thumbs up. You get a Brötchen and the currywurst. Mike, how is it? 10 out of 10 for sure. Taking a little turtle out on the walk. Maxi is the Bruce Willis from Dusseldorf. So the last unicorns right here. There we go. You could play in the NBA.
Schumacher, alt.
Schumacher Altbier. Did you know that Düsseldorf has the longest bar in the world?
Yeah, we know it. Hopefully you know it now as well.
Well, now you know. If you don't know, now you know.
Okay, cheers.
Prost. Superman is giving free hugs here.
Yes.
How come Superman is in Germany? I thought he lives in America.
A little bit in Germany.
All right. You can actually carry the bottles right here on the promenade. No ticket from the police.
This is legal. Germany.
That's right.
Here, find it out.
In the land of the free, Germany. Konnichiwa. Wow, look at your outfit. And then we got little Woody riding on a pug. It's getting busier, busier, busier. I never expected that many people here. So far, I haven't seen any fights or any arrests at all. Everything is really smooth. The Geisha with the Samurais. Und diese Biene, die ich meine, die heißt Maya. And look at this one. Pikachu. So this is actually my second Comic-Con. First one in LA and this one actually right here on the Rheinufer. And I must say, being outside is nicer than being inside the building. I love this place. What kind of dinosaur is that? Is that like a T-Rex? Look at her ears. She got fairy ears. You got Super Mario. Super Mario's missing your beard. Where's your beard?
Duesseldorf.
And he can actually make me into like a little mouse. But I actually thought that was Confucius. There's Kim Kardashian in Dusseldorf. What are they talking about? I'm not really here for the Japanese culture. I know I should, but I really like the mangas though. Umleitung. Adam the Woo would say this is a beehive of activity, but I'm not Adam. I'm German in Venice. This place is packed. What kind of beer is that now?
It's an Altbier.
Altbier.
For sure. Yeah, in Düsseldorf.
I thought the weekend was packed already, but today is even worse. I can't really say it's worse because I like it busy like this. I see a lot of stuff walking around. Achtung, here kommt Carlson. Carlson. Look, I found a Playboy bunny, not in Beverly Hills, in Düsseldorf. A Japanese Playboy bunny. We got the SWAT team. He's securing everything right here. They love sitting on stairs and looking at the sun. Everybody's bringing their own beer. You hear the Glocken läuten? They ringing the bells. Hey! Are you comfortable, Gogo?
Yeah, but I'm waiting for my drink. The waitress is not coming. So what?
This is an iced cafe amaretto, water, another beer,
And a white wine.
and
Very tasty.
Gregor is drinking a wine. Prost.
Cheers.
And you know what? When you do a cheers to the other person, you have to look them in the eye. You have to, okay? Otherwise, you gotta pay for the whole thing.
So the wine white was very good. But now we try the Campari Orange. Cheers.
Cheers. Chibaka, Chibaka. Arigato zamosta. It has been 2 years since they had the Japanese Day because of the situation we're in. So finally, after 2 years, we have another Japanese Day. The sun just set right here on the Rhine River. A beautiful day comes to an end. And now we're gonna wait for the great Japanese firework. It's not like a little firework. I heard it's the best firework there's around. So let's check it out. All the little boats going in position to get a good view for the firework. You see the people line up across the street. The anticipation is starting. It's gonna be a great evening. There's not an empty space left. Everybody already setting up. We could go on a cruise and watch the firework on that boat, but it's gonna take a couple hours before the firework starts. Look at all the empty beer bottles. How come nobody picks them up? That's like $16 in recycle money. Normally I always hang out with Channel 7 News. Today ARD and Westdeutscher Rundfunk. Uh-oh, Captain America in Germany. What are you doing in Dusseldorf, man? There's nothing going on here. Wow, check out that backpack. It's pretty dope, huh? Look at his shoes, man. You see the Dusseldorfer Tower. It's supposed to tell you the time, but I don't really know how to read it right now. I guess those are all the different manga figures they have here from the comics. I really do not know anything about it. I wish I would know all the characters so I can explain it to you better, but I don't know. Maybe next time I'll learn something about it. But I really think they're really cool looking and they're really detailed, so I wouldn't mind putting some of those in my apartment. And they're still drinking. It's gonna happen in a few minutes, just stay tuned. Yeah, fireworks begins. Those lights look pretty cool on those boats. It's kind of like a Christmas parade in Marina del Rey. What did I tell you? Never seen anything like that before, I bet you. I love it. And if you don't know, now you know. Gogo, how was the firework?
Hey man, Japanese was the best. Yeah, I can't believe. It was amazing.
For me, it was the best firework I've ever seen in my life.
You have to come back.
Next year.
For sure.
I don't think you can beat the nightlife here in Dusseldorf. Crazy. It's a nightclub. Everybody wants to go inside. Unso Döner. Yeah, this is delicious. That's a Döner. Oh, what do you mean? Rettungsdienst. Check this car out. Bling, bling. Is that Justin Bieber's car? Damn, look at that line here at Subway. That wasn't the best idea. They don't have any Uber here or Lyft. Should have taken a taxi. Well, my friends, that was it. Live here from the Rhine River from the Japanese Day in Dusseldorf. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, push the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. And that was it. Live here from Dusseldorf. I see you guys later. Just saying.